guys! For today's video, we will explore on how to convert temperature scales or the temperature conversion. But before anything else, what is temperature conversion? So it is the process of changing one unit to another. There are three main units of temperature, namely the Celsius, the Fahrenheit, and the Kelvin. So let's talk first about Celsius. This was invented by a Swedish astronomer named Anders Celsius in 1742. So it is also called as centigrade. So it is represented in degree C. Next is the Fahrenheit. This was developed by Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit and represented as degree F. Lastly, the Kelvin. It was named after William Thomson, first Baron Kelvin. It is represented only in letter K. It has no symbol of degree, just like the degree F and the degree C. Take note, if we write the units, the first letter must be always in capital since it was named after a person. Now, since you already have a background information where the temperature units originated, so let us now proceed to the formulas. First, we have the temperature conversion between Celsius and Kelvin. So if we have to calculate the Celsius to Kelvin, we have to use the formula which is K is equal to C plus 273.15. For example, convert 10 degrees Celsius to Kelvin. So, copy the formula which is K is equal to C plus 273.15 and substitute the given which is 10 degrees Celsius plus 273.15. So we have the sum of 283.15 Kelvin. So therefore, 10 degrees Celsius is equivalent to 283.15 Kelvin. How about the vice versa or from Kelvin to Celsius? We will use the formula C is equal to K minus 273.15. For example, if we have 283.15 K, what is the equivalent in degrees Celsius? So copy the formula C is equal to K minus 273.15. So substitute Kelvin which is 283.15 K minus 273.15. So we have the difference of 10 degrees Celsius. So therefore, 283.15 K is equivalent to 10 degrees Celsius. Did you get it? Then it's great! Now, let's move on to the temperature conversion between Fahrenheit and Celsius. So, if we have tried to calculate from Fahrenheit to Celsius, we will have to use the formula of C is equal to the quantity F minus 32 times 5 divided by 9. For example, convert 40 degree Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius. So, copy the formula. Our given Fahrenheit is 40 degrees, so minus 32 times 5 divided by 9. So 40 minus 32 is equal to 8. And 8 times 5 divided by 9 is equal to 4.44 degrees Celsius. Therefore, 40 degree Fahrenheit is equal to 4.44 degrees Celsius. But if we try to calculate the vice versa or from Celsius to Fahrenheit, we have to use the formula of F is equal to C, the quantity of 9 divided by 5 plus 32. So for example, convert 4.44 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. So copy the formula. And then substitute the degrees Celsius which is 4.44 times 9 divided by 5 plus 32. So 4.44 times 5 divided by 9 plus 32. So we have the answer of 39.992 degree Fahrenheit, or we have to round it off to make a whole number. It becomes 40 degree Fahrenheit. So, did you understand the process? Then, if so, it's a great job! Lastly, the conversion between Fahrenheit and Kelvin. So, if we want to calculate from Fahrenheit to Kelvin, we will use the formula of K is equal to the quantity F minus 32 times 5 divided by 9 plus 273.15. For example, calculate 15 degree Fahrenheit to Kelvin. So, copy the formula and substitute the given. So, we have the Fahrenheit, which is 50 minus 32 times 5 divided by 9 plus 273.15. So, 50 minus 32 is equal to 18 times 5 divided by 9 plus 273.15. So, it is equal to 283.15 Kelvin. So, therefore, 15 degree Fahrenheit is equivalent to 283.15 Kelvin. But how about the vice versa, which is from Kelvin to Fahrenheit? So, we have to use the formula of F is equal to the quantity K minus 273.15 times 9 divided by 5 plus 32. So, for example, convert 283.15 K to degree Fahrenheit. So, copy the formula and substitute the given Kelvin, which is 283.15 K minus 273.15 times 9 divided by 5 plus 32. So, 283.15 minus 273.15 is equal to 10 times 9 divided by 5 plus 32. So, we have the answer of 50 degree Fahrenheit. Did you learn the process in converting temperature? So, all you need to do is to know the formula, and then by substitution, you can get the answer. So, now, it's your turn to try to assess yourself what you have learned by answering the practice problems. So, enjoy! Let's find out the answer. So, the first problem was to calculate the degree Fahrenheit of a 100 degrees Celsius temperature. So, we have the given of 100 degrees Celsius. Since we are looking for Fahrenheit, we will be using the formula of F is equal to C times 9 divided by 5 plus 32. So, we can now substitute the 100 degrees Celsius. So, times 9 divided by 5 plus 32. So, 100 times 9 divided by 5 is equal to 180. So, plus 32 is equal to 212 degree Fahrenheit. So, now we have the answer of 212 degree Fahrenheit. The problem in letter B is to convert 212 degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius temperature. So, we have the given of 212 degree Fahrenheit. And since we are looking for degrees Celsius, so we will be using the formula of C is equal to the quantity F minus 32, so times 5 divided by 9. So now we can substitute the given, which is 212 minus 32 times 5 divided by 9. 212 minus 32 is equal to 180 times 5 divided by 9 is equal to 100. So now we have the 100 degrees Celsius.